Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the method, how the method. People are confused. What is method and what are the functions? They understand the method somehow belong to the no function having different meaning and function having different type. One is build, of course, what you create, what you define the function. Okay, you can create own function. So we will see in upcoming. So how the function is different from method. Method is a extensive use of broadness of the function. Means one function having behavior of x, y, z, you can extend those behavior adding some attribute of the method. Means one function are going to work for the different method. Means you can multiplex your function, one function having multiple behavior when they integrate with the method. I'm going to explain you how what's the meaning of that. So one function how integrate with them, like function we have a string is a function, know that int is a function, but we can split. If we're going to split this string, that going to be split is a method, which the function going to have extensive use as a split. Split is a method which giving extension feature or attributable behavior, okay, of the function. So function going to be extended the split. So I'm going to show you what do you mean by that. How do you know the method? It's a easy. Every function come with their inherit. How do you identify? So suppose I'm writing over here my string. Let me write down is my is equal to my name or even if this is a string, this is my string, and string we know string is a function. Okay, so if I want to split this string, we have to use string function explicitly and this as called x. So I want to split this into word or later. How do I do? So what I will do, this is what let's see type. This is the string. So I'm going to call my method because this is a function. So method is called your function, my string. Okay. Then give dot, they're going to pop up with the method. This method integrate with the function because we have string inbuilt function, so we have associated method with them. What do you mean by that, Ashutosh? I want remove this dot. I want everything what is written here in this string supposed to go in capital letter. So there is something called method which help you upper. So like we have upper. If you here you can see there is an upper style the tab, and we no need to pass and enter this. So all the stuff what I wrote. My name is Astosh Kumar and I live in India. N upper lit. Are you guys understanding? And
Yes.
the method is nothing, it's giving the extra feature to the function. So method is the extension of the function. They add the attributed behavior in that. Right. So I want this. Just I want to declare some other string. New string one. Yes. Means if you see str1 will having now with the all capital, whereas my string is with the as a not string. Okay, so new string, the string one become with the method I use. I want all in lowercase, so you can use your one is lower, so lower, and I'm going to this string. So all the str2 now we other method we can explore like when you to all lower is another one. It's going to show you this is the really all are in lower true. But if I want to do my string is lower, my string lower you it's not it's a mix of lower and false. So you understand how the method inbuilt method going to help you to read or take your output differentiate actual string is a function where is the upper lower is upper or say the let's there's a huge number of method we're going to include few of them. Clear? Clear? Comfortable? Should I move?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want to control over this is the string. This is string. I want to the list. I want to I able to solve. There is something split my string dot here is so so you can break down into the list every word they have with the comma and we are going to random give the number of IP address and you will see they're going to segregate the MAC address and other stuff you and they each and every you have see this element and you can store this split one with the my list my list so my list going to now my list have can you see that and you can I'm going to explore the what is how we can explore the list very easily later on. So this is very important. Your entire string going to without any work they have with the full comma. Okay, now if you remember in a string we studied the reverse. I want all the word going to be reverse manner. How do I write them? Just just say we will going to discuss about that. How do you what is the string value, position value, if you are considered this is a single list, the list as a single, the element is a single word. So this index will be the 1 reverse index. If you study reverse index, you have indexing one. The same indexing method what we studied explored in string apply here. Just for understanding, I want this list as a like 0, so what will be going to print my. If I want to print Asutosh, so what will be the my string value to 1 is 3. Suppose I want to print last one, what will be the string value? -1. Let's see it's going to print or not. Yeah, is the last. Are you able to see how the string, the same comparison we can do here word wise, the content element wise? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So if I want to reverse, now I want to reverse the entire list. Same, same thing what we have done. The string we, let's do that. Understand. Store this. So this list I want reverse the history. Means the India supposed to be first, my supposed to be last, in supposed to be second, name good. What you remember slicing? You remember slicing of class? I've explored the industry. Same way we have to explore here for the list. Okay, so the step value in slice, remember we have same thing we're going to apply for the list here. We have a start column, end column, then step. So we have do the minus step. It's going to take care about that verse, right? Sagar, if you remember. Okay, so let's do. I going to nullify your start and end. So India and I have string.
Yeah. Yep.
So I want to add all this content. Do I have any? I can split. Okay, if we have a split, can I add this? Let's explore that. What I'm going to do? I'm going string as a reverse or reverse. I'm going to name this string as a reverse. 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 I have done wrong with this right creation. So this I want is supposed to add all this. You can see there is a called add or append. This is the um this supposed to your assignment. I want this all the content of the list supposed to be coming the line like we have a split can do add or not. Let's use this add what's going to working on now. So what we have to do, this is special meaning of function. I'm not going to do this. This is I'm going to open this question. As we have done the split of this, if I'm able to add this, what we have to use? Can you guys? Anyone? Concatenation, content, anything. So you have to use, I'm also going to explore this, how you can add and keep one string. So this is the assignment, come with that. So any question till here, how you have to do your method, to understand method are helpful to um, anything which having inbuilt function with their attribute. So nothing method is a attributable behavior which have extensive features or function. Like we have x equal to, then I'm going to tell, so what are the x? Is a what is x? X is int. Int is a function. Then x dot we have there, what we can say, right? Tell me. Tell me anyone. This is the method which help me to liberate integer. So is integer is a another method, another function like absolute function. You can check this is the absolute number or not. X the absolute. Yes. So method format is nothing function followed by dot. Period, guys. However, we're going to explore about this. Don't worry. The method, how it's going to treat and accessing the list, extra dedicated class for list. So till here, clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we saw the method, and let me see. Uh, in method, we want to per split, copy or inbuilt method. Now next we have mathematical operations. So I'm going to continue in this one, this section. Okay, now let me take another small switch. Mathematical operator. That's very important. They give you the mathematical operator, inbuilt operators help you to calculate without going for the actual operator. We're going to. Okay. Bye bye. See you in